Hi kids, this is the story of a farmer and the stork. Finding that cranes were destroying his newly sown corn, and a farmer one evening set a net in his field to catch the destructive birds. When he went to examine the next morning, he found a number of cranes and also a stork. "Release me, I beseech you," cried the stork. "For I have eaten none of your corn, nor I have done you any harm. I am a poor innocent stork, as you may see, a most dutiful bird. I honor my father and mother. I—" But the farmer cut him short. "All this may be true enough, but I dare to say that I have caught you with those who were destroying my crops, and you must suffer with the company in which you were found." So, dear kids, remember people are judged by the company they keep. So, be careful while you choose people around you. Hit like, share, and subscribe Fantastical Journeys with Aamna.